So we've been developing folding TVs for over 10 years, and we've been developing hinges that can specifically do that. We also need to use a process called adaptive gap calibration. So as you can see, every single folding wing there has a light sensor internally behind it. What it will do is look at those very hairline openings, and it will automatically turn up the brightness around those hairline gaps. So you don't notice it's the naked eye, but it will create this seamless image.